we all know this. Women love strong men. Strong, dominant men. And a lot of times, it's not actual physical strength that they're looking for. It's more emotional. It's more mental strength. And these are attributes that you and I can develop. What you want to work against are weak attributes. Weakness is that one trait that nobody finds attractive. And when it's prevalent in you, especially in a world like we live in today, people will walk all over you. So today, boys, I'm going to show you weak attributes you're going to want to avoid. Number one, blaming other people. Most weak men blame other people because they never take responsibility for their own behavior. See, it is always somebody else's fault with somebody like this. They refuse to take a look into themselves and realize that they could have bettered themselves. Number two, they're always jittery. See, women, they love calmness. A dude that's still, a dude that's relaxed, especially in the presence of a beautiful woman, it's just a strong sign of confidence. It just shows that you're comfortable in any element, especially this element, which is gonna let her think that, yo, this guy's been around beautiful women all the time if he's this calm. So being anxious, nervous, or jittery are habits that you just want to completely cut out. And yes, obviously anxiety does come in different levels of severity. Everything from maybe just being anxious at a social party, or maybe being anxious of talking to a girl, to something more serious like being anxious about your job you're losing, or being anxious at the hospital, or something worse than that. So if you suffer from being anxious a lot, especially in social situations, or you're always jittery and you're nervous and stuff like that, you need to learn to relax. And there's great supplements that you can take, such as CBD, that have been scientifically proven to help with this calmness and with this anxiety if you want to be more of a relaxed guy. This is why our sponsor Feels is absolutely crushing it right now with CBD. See, Feels is a premium CBD that gets delivered to your doorstep, but what most don't understand is the effects that Feels and CBD have, which can help with stress, which can help with anxiety. It can help with any body pains you can have, and it can even help with you sleeping. And the cool part with this is that it's natural. It's been scientifically proven to actually help you, and since it's natural, there's no addiction to it, and you can easily take it. You just put a few drops under your tongue, and you'll feel the difference within minutes. So if you're a dude that deals with social anxiety, or you're always nervous and jittery or anxious, you need to start trying this product. And the cool part is, since it gets delivered to your door, you can join the Feels community by clicking the link down below, where you're gonna get the product delivered every month. You can cancel at any time, and the great part is that now you can have something that you can easily carry with you. And again, a few drops on your tongue, and within minutes, you feel that calmness, that relaxedness, that confidence. So start feeling better with Feels by becoming a member today by going to feels.com/TMF to become a member and get 50% off automatically taken off your first order with free shipping. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number three, falling in love often. A weak man will just have this long list of women that they have fallen in love with in the past, and that's because the dude wears his heart on the sleeve. And because of this, he doesn't become selective with the type of women he chooses to love. All he wants is somebody to give him attention, so he'll take whatever comes his way, and this is probably the same dude that's been dumped by that whole long list of women. That's a weak move, brother. Men should reserve their energy for women that actually deserve it, for women that meet their standards, their qualifications. Everybody has their own likes and dislikes, so always apply your standards to everybody you're talking to, so you only give your energy to those that deserve it. Number four, weak men avoid conflict. This is the type of dude that would rather lie, nod, and agree with anybody that they disagree with rather than start a whole argument or a debate. Even between friends, he would never voice his opinion because he does not want to be perceived as non-agreeable. And this is the same dude that will say yes to anything a girl says. If she likes this, he likes this. If she says no, he says no. This type of agreements is just seen as weakness. So you need to stand up for what you agree in. You need to stand up for what you believe in. You need to have a backbone in life. Otherwise, men and women will both manhandle you and walk all over you. Number five, you let her cheat on you. Bro, the warning signs were probably clear as day. The red flags were clear in your face. If you have a gut feeling that she's cheating, she's probably cheating. You should never let something like that happen, because anytime you have something that you're not okay with, you should bring it to light. You should set boundaries. You should establish your presence. If you feel that you're already losing the entire relationship and you're the one carrying the entire relationship just so it can stay afloat, I'm sorry to tell you, buddy, but she's already gone. And it's much better for you just to leave with your head held high before she cheats on you. And finally, number six, you just care too much. If you're the type of dude that just cares too much about other people's opinions and just thrive off of what they say, you'll never stand up for yourself. See, real men, they could give two craps what other people think about them because they are on their purpose. They move through life with intent. If others like it, cool. If they don't, too bad. And if anybody stands in their way as they're on their purpose, they will stand up for what they believe in. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. These are 6 signs that weak men have that I want you to avoid. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Feels. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.